Hey YouTube, I'm Kishan and in this video you'll learn what is spread operator in JavaScript. This video is a part of the less than 100-second series where you acquire mini skills in seconds. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to never miss out any video of the series. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. In JavaScript, spread syntax refers to the use of the three dots to expand an iterable object into the list of arguments. Let me show you how to use the spread operator with various types of iterable. We'll start with the arrays. So you can see here that we have some code. So this is numbers array which consists of 5 numbers, and there is another array named as more numbers. So what we are gonna do is we'll spread the numbers array in here. So the spread syntax would be the three dots and the iterable which we want to spread. In our case it is numbers, and we'll also add some more values to our more numbers array, which would be 6 and 7. So our more numbers array would consist values like 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Also we are gonna add a new value to our more numbers array, which would be 8. So let me console it. So as you can see, I have consoled first the numbers, which is this, and then more numbers. You can see that using the spread operator, it just spreads the value. It doesn't copy as the reference type. So changes made to our new variable would not be changed in the old variable, as you can see here. So now we are going to see how to use the spread operator with objects. Here we have a data object which consists of my profile information. We'll copy this data object into this another data object using the spread operator. The syntax is same. We have this three dots and the name of our iterable. You have to make sure that you are using curly braces here because it is an object. In the case of arrays, we were using the square brackets. Now here what it will do is it will copy all this value into this another data. So I'm gonna change this another data dot name to shade Kishan instead of Kishan shade. I'll run this again. Here you can see that our data object has name as Kishan shade and our another data has shade Kishan. So both are different objects, not the same, but we have a problem here. If our object has some arrays inside nested objects, so they are copied as reference types. So what I'm gonna do is I'll uncomment this out, and we have this education array here, and in this education array we are gonna push a new value which is masters and CS. So we are gonna push it into the another data. I'll save it and I'll run it again. So here you can see that in both the objects the education array has the same value. We have added into the another data, but the value of masters in CS is also updated into the data object. So this happens because we have nested levels into our object. To resolve this issue, you should use deep cloning instead of spread operator. If you want to learn what is deep cloning, you can check out my video. Now we'll see how to use the spread operator to split a string into an array of characters. I'll close this, I'll comment this out, and I'll paste code. So we have an letters and name array. In here we have used the spread syntax and string named as Kishan. So what it will do is it will split the string into different letters. I'll run it. As you can see that the string is splitted. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, do like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.